I'm about to go check out this high-rise. I'm flying in a helicopter for the very first time, and I'm very nervous. We also crossed 500 million views in 30 days. Imagine 500 million people watching your content each and every month. There's actually benefits to dipping your face in ice water. It reduces inflammation, tightens your pores, and boosts circulation. So I just received this in the mail. YouTube play button for exceeding 100,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you. Now, let's go fly in a helicopter. Welcome to Zindi Transform. Let's do this. Past 500 million views in 30 days. That's mind-blowing. That's actually insane. Like, that's so many people.
Crazy, man.
Whoa. And that's just in 30 days. So could you imagine in like 90 days? Yeah, it's crazy. Like, this is only getting better and we're just getting started. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now, because I'm going to take you guys through the entire process. I'm going to tell you guys everything. I'm going to be answering questions. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's keep going. But I'm excited at the same time. It's my first time riding a helicopter. I'm so nervous right now. In spite of how nervous I am, I've realized the best things come out of one. That's why I'm here right now. I'm excited at the same time. Being up here, it's amazing. That was so scary, but I've always wanted to be in a helicopter, so I'm glad I did it. But would I do it again? Definitely not. Man, there's no better feeling, but getting the workout in, you have to. I'm on a mission to be the best version of myself, and it starts here with fitness. Fitness is the #1 priority, regardless anything. Finish up running, feels good, man. This year, my goal is to become the best version of myself, and you should as well. That's what I'm on. Come on, man, you can. You can, bro. Let's get it. We are at the best Korean barbecue spots in the city, Who says eating healthy has to be boring? This is beautiful. Eating a bunch of protein, I mean, that's the best way to eat.
Soybean stew, kimchi pancake, the corn cheese, and steamed egg.
Korean food is actually one of my favorites just because of how healthy and delicious they are. Something about me, I love protein. I eat protein so much. I normally eat more protein, less carbs. How nice is this? Protein, vegetables, rice, balance.
Alright, so what are we eating, Marvin?
This is seasoned boneless short ribs. This stuff, it reminds me of a beef I had in Japan, but that was Kobe beef. So good. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. You can come up with better ways to eat. You can get recipe books. There's a lot of recipes on the web. There's Instagram, there's TikTok. There's so many resources now. Like, people are literally cooking as content. Use those, save those. You can make delicious food from that, and you can still lose weight or build muscle. I love the way I eat. Chicken and rice, plain food. I never do that because I love food. If you love food, you have to find ways to enjoy the food you like. And if you want to eat out, you have to choose healthy options. And remember, healthy doesn't mean not tasty. Like what we just had right now is so tasty. And guess what? It's still healthy. How's the food?
It was actually pretty good.
We're coming back here again tomorrow.
Yes.
Since I'm done eating, I'm about to go check out this high rise. It's actually one of the best high rises in the area. I'll check it out because I'm looking to move into a new place. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.